amaze me. Ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
We're showing it to Aaliyah. Got the keys. About to go in. Open sesame. Washer, dryer, connection in there.
See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
This is the patio. I think you might be able to get to the patio from the other room too. Which I think is they're making plans over there. I could work with this bathroom. This would be my bathroom. I like that I have a little medicine cabinet and then I have this mirror. And yeah, I could definitely work with it. I'm not in love with this color, but I can also fix that. So I'm seeing the vision and hallway light. This would be my room. So this is it. I have a view of the parking lot and a tree. I don't really care about that. I have enough outlets. I like that. This is my closet. It is pretty good size. This is the master bedroom. Is the light. Master bedroom. Here is the bathroom. Kind of similar to my bathroom. Kind of pretty similar to my bathroom. I don't know what that white thing is right there, but whatever. And then yeah, there's blinds in here and stuff, and you can get to the patio from here. This is a patio, so you can get to the patio from here and here. I like that. What do you think, Aaliyah? So it's nighttime.
What the watch on TV?
And we're scoping out our little potential neighborhood and stuff. What you eating on? Let me taste it.
Not even that good. I'm just eating it because it's cold. Yeah. They have the flavor I want. So that's so this is how we would park. We have to park right there. And then come this way because you can't.
It's good. Right.
You can't come this way.
Okay, so what's up? This is the end of the moving vlog, kind of the end of the moving series, but I wanted to like update y'all while I finish what I started, Self-Care Sunday. Turn this water off before I start getting into what I want to talk about. Ooh, sneak peek of the color of my wig. Oh, look at that. So basically we put in for where we were gonna move to, and everything did not go through with that particular property, and it was frustrating at first, but I feel like, you know, whether we understand the reason or not, everything happens for a reason, and we may never know it, but I'm just beginning to be more at peace with the situation. So it started to come up on too close to the move date, and with all that being said, we're not moving. We are just renovating where we currently live and just making the space better to accommodate the three of us. So we're basically kind of turning the apartment into a tiny house. Everybody has their own space. We still share a bathroom, but we are making it work for us for another lease term. And yeah, we are beginning to be okay with that, using the money that we were going to use to move for renovations. So I got my mom's bed, and I used 2 tables that I had previously, and they were all kind of like black, but it had paint and other stuff on it. And I got some contact paper and turned it into an L-shape type of desk for me. So one side for like makeup and filming content, and then the other side for like work, where my laptop and all that stuff will be. I am taking the TV that was in the living room previously, and I ordered a wardrobe dresser so that I do not have to share closet space anymore, and I can kind of like, you know, spread out my clothes, and everybody just has their own, you know, space. So I will do an updated kind of like apartment tour when everything is done. We did a lot this past weekend with just building stuff and painting, and my closet is going to arrive later today. I ordered another roll of contact paper that I need for my desk, and I still need to decorate my walls the way I want to. Still debating on what I want to put behind my bed. I'm thinking of like a type of collage or something, but my room is kind of like Barbie themed, so everything is pink. Even the contact paper I got is like marble pink, if I'm sure you saw it earlier in the video. But yeah, I just basically wanted to update y'all on that, because I know I was posting a lot of things about us moving, and I was showing y'all the inside of some places that we were considering, and just, you know, letting y'all know how things was going with the realtor and all of that good stuff. So we are going to revisit this conversation next year, but for now we are staying put, which is nice because we're also able to kind of like save money for that future venture when it is a better time for us, and a better time for us, you know, financially and all of those things. So everything happens for a reason. We are at peace with this, and like I said, just accommodating our current space to kind of, you know, for us. So we're redoing the bathroom, redoing pretty much everything to our liking, and kind of make it feel like we moved and everything's new, even though it's not. We shampooed the carpet as well, so new vibes, new energy, new everything. And yeah, I'm excited for this next chapter in our life, because it literally is. I have more space to create, to just really grab my social media career and, like, you know, flourish it. So that's what I'm going to be working on. I have a lot of things happening. I have a few digital products that I'm going to be launching, so I'm going to be working overtime on that, and I have a lot of stuff going on. So if you are a passive income, extra money girly, then definitely follow my digital marketing page on Instagram, where I will go in depth about all those things, how I got started, what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and how you can also take part in that. But I am gonna go ahead, take a shower, finish my self-care Sunday. My skin looks amazing after this mask. I love it. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all that update so I don't leave y'all in the dark. But that does not mean that I will not be uploading videos once a week still. So stay tuned for that.